So I heard a rumour, Morgan.
A rumour?
Yeah, that you're doing something voluntarily?
Time for tea.
Oh.
Voluntarily, yes. Yes, doing something for charity, mate. Not half. We like a lot of work for charity, don't we, mate?
Oh, yeah, not half.
Not half. Yeah. Some friends of ours are doing this drive to wherever they're going in aid of charity. I can't even spoke properly. Charity, mate. And as you can see, they've done their own stickers on it, which look really, really good, and yeah, they're coming off really well. I'd like to say they remind me of somebody else's work, but I'm not going to say that because that's not good.
Oh, I can't speak about Kev like that.
Yeah, so we're going to re-sticker it for them and put some charity writing on it as well, because it's all in aid of Morgan's retirement fund.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So please donate more so I can retire for longer.
More for Morgan.
Yes. GoFundMe page.
Yeah, more for Morgan.
Yeah.
More. What about me?
No, you get nothing.
Shit.
Yeah. Well, I'll have a GoFundMe page. You can go fuck yourself page. There's probably already pages like that anyway.
Yeah. Oh, that's better.
So yeah, it's big prostate cancer. We're going to do a drive out later on, probably August as well, and they're going to video and document it, what they're doing. It's a red Volvo. They want to be firemen, so they're Firestoppers, not fire starters. They've got some stupid uniforms to wear.
What do you mean? Not fire starters?
Yeah, not even twisted ones.
Oh.
Yeah.
I've done all the finals wrong.
Yeah. Oh God.
No, I haven't.
Your spelling's rubbish, I know. They've got a smoke machine to go in the back, so when they pull up to the checkpoints they can fill the car with smoke to make it look like it's on fire. They got all sorts going on. They're a good bunch and it's for a good cause. So yeah, we're going to re-sticker it. Well, try to.
Let's get right about it then.
That's a wrap.
Look at that. Oh.
Sparkly. Shiny.
What's that then?
That's that, yeah. We've stuck some stickers on. Going to give it a service tomorrow or later on today if I get a chance. Quick service and make sure everything's alright, ready for their trip. 3,000 miles, something like that probably. There's going to be a GoFundMe page. Find them or come to us or message us and we can send you the right way. Donate. It's all for prostate cancer, which will all go into the pot, which will go with the Venom drive out that we're going to do, which we haven't announced as yet, but we will do soon. We've just put some stickers on. Shh, it's not a fucking train, is it?
Woo woo! It's a secret.
Yeah, so yeah,
right,
let's stick it up.
Have a little look at this then.